Hello everybody, this is Gustavo, exam coach. In a previous video, we introduced the first type of sentence in written English, the simple sentence. Today, I want to introduce a second type, the compound sentence. Think about this. Is it possible that two or more subjects and their corresponding conjugated verbs coexist within one sentence and that all subjects are equally important? This might seem a bit confusing, but it is not. This is perfectly possible when two or more independent clauses combine to make a single sentence. Here are a few examples. Number 1. The GMAT is a challenging exam, but it only tests your analytical power in written English. Here's a second example. Pablo has prepared for the TOEFL quite conscientiously for the last 2 months, so he expects a good result in the exam tomorrow. And we have a third one. Either societies get to evolve in order to overcome their problems, or they remain stagnant and underdeveloped. All right, let us examine these examples more closely one at a time. In the first sentence, we can clearly appreciate there are two clauses with their respective subjects and conjugated verbs, and the clauses are joined together by the word but. We call but a coordinating conjunction, which expresses contrast between two opposite ideas. In the second sentence, we can notice two independent clauses sitting together via the word so. We call so another coordinating conjunction, which expresses consequence between the ideas portrayed in each of the clauses. In the third sentence, we see two independent clauses put together using either or. This paired expression is called a correlative conjunction, and it is used to connect two alternative and mutually exclusive ideas. There are some other special words and expressions which can work as conjunctions, that is to say, expressions which can connect independent clauses to make compound sentences. We'll talk about them some other time. See you on our next video, in which we'll present the third type of written English sentence.